Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a fundamental task in Tableau, how to count the number of records in your data. This is often one of the first things you want to know about a new dataset. It sounds very basic, but Tableau actually gives you several powerful ways to do this, and each method is useful for different situations. We'll walk through the main techniques so you can confidently count exactly what you need for your analysis. The first and most straightforward method involves using a special field that Tableau creates for you automatically. When you connect to your data, look in the data pane on the left side of your screen. You will see a field named Number of Records. This is a generated field. It simply contains the value of 1 for every single row in your data source. To get a total count of all your records, all you have to do is drag this Number of Records field onto your view. For instance, you can drag it onto the text box on the marks card. Tableau will automatically apply a sum aggregation to it, adding up all the ones and instantly showing you the total number of rows. This is the quickest way to get a grand total. Our second method gives you more control by using a calculated field with the count function. You would create a new calculated field and type the formula count, field name. You need to replace field name with an actual column from your data, like count, order ID. This function counts all the rows for that specific column, but it only counts rows that have a value. It ignores any nulls. So, count, order ID, gives you the number of orders, which is usually the same as the total number of records if every row has an order ID. This method is great when you want to be sure you are counting rows based on a specific piece of information being present. Next, let's talk about a very important variation, counting unique items. For this, we use the countd function, which stands for count distinct. This is different from a simple count. For example, if you have a list of sales and you want to know how many individual customers made those purchases, you would create a calculated field with the formula countd, customer ID. This will count each unique customer ID only once, no matter how many times they appear in the data. Using a regular count, customer ID, would just tell you the total number of sales, not the number of unique customers. Understanding the difference between count and countd is crucial for accurate reporting. Finally, a super quick tip for a fast check is to use the status bar at the bottom of your Tableau worksheet. As you build your visualization, look to the bottom left corner. Tableau displays information there, such as the number of marks on your view. Depending on your visualization setup, this can often give you a quick idea of the number of records you are looking at without having to create a formal calculation. It's a handy little shortcut for a quick glance analysis. So, to recap, you have the simple drag and drop number of records, the flexible count function for specific columns, and the powerful countd function for unique values. Mastering these will make your data analysis in Tableau much more precise. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy-to-follow Tableau tutorials and tips. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.